Hi friends, welcome back to Flashing Lights. Well, Will, you may be wondering where our fire truck is. Oh, there it is. Let's go ahead and open this garage door so we can go out. Yeah, our fire truck is outside. You may be wondering why it's outside today. Thought we'd do something a little bit different today. I'll tell you about it once we get on the road. As a firefighter, occasionally we need to do routine maintenance in the city. We've got a super long ladder that we can use to get to places that the average citizen can't get to. Well, we had a report in one of the apartments buildings downtown that an air conditioning unit wasn't working properly. So I thought we'd go ahead and go down there and see what could be the problem. It's not too far. I believe it's right up here, just a few blocks into town. If you play this game, Flashing Lights, it's in early access, but the developer is always releasing updates. Every month he's got new updates for it, so I'm looking forward to the new plans in graphical updates and game updates. I'm looking forward to where he's headed with it. But if you played this game, Flashing Lights, you may have seen these air conditioning units on the outside of the buildings. Well, apparently it's this one on this building, I believe. One of the tenants, I believe, of the top floor of the building here reported her air conditioning unit not working. So let's see if we can pinpoint exactly what the problem is. Yeah, I believe it's that, not the first two, one or two, it's that third one at the very top that there was a complaint about. So we'll get the old ladder up there. I just recently discovered this outriggering on the fire truck. I'm new to firefighting here in Flashing Lights, so we'll get the hang of it soon. Alright, let's see if we can get that ladder and positioned in the right spot. I think we can get a good look at it if we get up there. And while you're at it, maybe you could let me know in the comments if you enjoy commentary in these videos, or you like videos without the commentary, or maybe you like you like both, you watch them both. But I am kind of curious the popularity of them. And I just recently found the controls here at the top of the ladder. See if we can get up here without breaking any windows. I think I may see already what the trouble is with this air conditioning unit. Why it's not working. Yep. That's it. You see that? It's not connected to the building. That's probably, I'm thinking that's probably why it's not working, because it's not even connected to the building. So, that's, it's interesting how it's up there, but it's not connected. Makes me wonder how it's even connected, but not connected. But I think at least we figured out what was wrong. So we'll go ahead and have to report back. I'll give that information to my boss, and he can report back to the complex, the landlord of this apartment complex, and let them know that that is the reason that their air conditioning unit is not working. But see, that's the good thing about having this ladder that goes so high. They wouldn't have been able to figure that out otherwise had we not been able to reach that height. So, once again, you just never know what you're going to come across in this game. Being a firefighter, though, the things that we can do to help people out, you know. Let's go ahead and put the outriggers back. I am glad that there is a reset, which makes it a little bit quicker. And let's go ahead and head back to the station. Another job done. Well, thanks again for watching this episode of Flashing Lights. I'll see you in the next one.